CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing,
Mary Dew Hills, Jonespuram, Pasumalai, Madurai. Pin code 625004.
CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing.
Feel free to call us at our mobile number 7639 663438. Also call us at 9585670676.
CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing.
Contact us in our mail ID jconmadurai@yahoo.co.in.
CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing.
Affiliated to the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. Recognized by Tamil Nadu Nurses Midwives Registration Council and Indian Nursing Council, New Delhi.
CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing.
The greeny sprawling campus of 13 acres land situated at foothills of Pasumalai. The beautiful name coined for this campus is Mary Dew Hills, Jonespuram.
CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing.
Dancing peacocks, cooing cuckoos, breezy wind, calm environment, serene landscape bring us the feeling of divinity. These are the specialities of our beautiful campus.
CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing.
Quality education is the basic rights of every individual. Appropriate education for our teenagers will develop them as good citizens. In the year 1913, the foreign American missionaries have started the CSI School of Nursing at Madurai. In the year 1934, this was upgraded as higher grade nursing, and in 1951 onwards, it was upgraded as proper general nursing midwifery course. Still, it continues its service. So it's one of the pioneering nursing institution. In the year 1993, with the strenuous effort of the then medical special commissary for Bishop Right Reverend Christopher Asir, have upgraded it as College of Nursing. So this was named as CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing. And in the year 2006, it was upgraded as the postgraduate institution with all 5 specialties in medical surgical nursing, community health nursing, child health nursing, and psychiatric nursing. And in the year 2008, it further had its add-on feathers as we were able to go on to the level of research institution. One of the best institution which renders even the research program is CSI Jayaraj Annapakyam College of Nursing. The mission and vision of the college is that willing youth must be given an opportunity to receive commendable education in nursing care practice. We also expand our education by providing appropriate practice at our parent hospital, Christian Mission Hospital, East Valley Street, as well as Rio Hospital for Pediatric Specialty, Navamani Prabhakar Hospital, and CRS Hospital for Psychiatry programs, as well as we have other extended programs like community health programs and our Kilanjonai Health Center, Pangajam Carolyn Health Center. So these are the areas our students are getting their real practical experience. The college too lay emphasis on molding the young students by inculcating the human qualities and serve as cheerful servants of God and man. Not somehow but triumphantly based on our motto, we always strive to enhance the clinical skills and hands-on training of our students from all these specialized areas. At this juncture, I feel elated to congratulate the team of well-qualified and enthusiastic faculty who play a vital role in bringing up potential individuals in our college campus.
We extend our outreach program to CSI Community Health Center, Clanjunai, Pangajam Caroline Clark, Chaza, and so on, which led us the building blocks to develop Christian commitment among our students and community. Besides the academics, we aim at all-around development of our students, and for the scope of physical development, students are encouraged to participate in sports, games, and extracurricular activities.
Students are motivated to develop good attitude, communication skills, problem-solving skills, and self-discipline. We sensitize the students towards environment and inculcate them in values, patriotism, humility, and perseverance by conducting variety of activities and competition. In all, we focus harmonious development of students. Thus, our alumni scattered all over the globe, facilitating holistic transformation, professional excellence with Christian commitment. In expansion, we provide better learning environment via virtual library, language lab, digital learning, and various nursing laboratories such as medical surgical health nursing, community health nursing, mental health nursing, child health nursing, and maternal child health nursing.
We are the change makers, we are the trendsetters in this changing world.
We motivate our students to be the change maker and the trendsetters in this changing world.
The current society is full of problems.
We motivate our students to solve the problems of their own.
We don't prepare them the road to travel.
We prepare them to travel whatever the road might be.
We are the change makers, we are the trendsetters. We motivate our students to be the change makers and trendsetters.
Do you want to feel the fragrance of this Jacon family? Do visit our website, download the application and reach us soon.